tiny sparks, giant leaps, the world of fast EDM. Imagine crafting intricate metal parts with lightning speed and incredible accuracy. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the world of fast EDM. This cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing manufacturing. It's pushing the boundaries of precision engineering. Fast EDM stands for fast hole drilling, electrical discharge machining. It's a mouthful, I know, but the results? Mind-blowing. We're talking about creating complex shapes and intricate details in even the toughest metals. Think surgical instruments, aerospace components, and intricate molds. The beauty of fast EDM lies in its ability to remove material with incredible precision. It uses controlled electrical discharges. These discharges vaporize tiny bits of material. This leaves behind a smooth, burr-free surface. No need for additional finishing. Fast EDM is a game changer. It's faster, more precise, and more efficient than traditional machining methods. It's opening doors to new possibilities in a wide range of industries. Controlled lightning. How fast EDM works. So, how does fast EDM work its magic? Imagine a miniature lightning storm happening between an electrode and a workpiece. Both are submerged in a dielectric fluid. This fluid acts as an insulator. Now picture this. A high-voltage electrical current passes through the electrode. It creates a spark gap. This spark gap generates intense heat. This heat vaporizes a tiny bit of the workpiece material. It's like controlled erosion, removing material with each spark. The electrode never actually touches the workpiece. It maintains a precise distance. This ensures accuracy and prevents damage. The dielectric fluid plays a crucial role. It flushes away the eroded particles. It also helps control the temperature. The process repeats thousands of times per second. Each spark removes a minuscule amount of material. This gradual removal allows for intricate shapes and fine details. Think of it as sculpting with lightning. Leaving tradition in the dust. Fast EDM versus EDM. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, I've heard of EDM before. You're right, traditional EDM has been around for a while, but fast EDM, it's a whole new ballgame. Traditional EDM uses slower discharge rates. It can be time-consuming, especially for complex parts. Fast EDM, on the other hand, operates at much higher frequencies. This means more sparks per second. More sparks equal faster material removal. Think of it like this. Imagine carving a statue. Traditional EDM is like using a chisel and hammer, slow and steady. Fast EDM is like using a high-powered laser, fast and precise. This speed advantage doesn't come at the cost of accuracy. Fast EDM maintains exceptional precision. It's ideal for creating intricate geometries and delicate features. Section 4. The need for speed and precision. Benefits of fast EDM. Fast EDM isn't just about speed, it's a powerhouse of precision and efficiency. It offers a unique combination of benefits. These benefits make it a game changer in various industries. First off, let's talk precision. Fast EDM can achieve tolerances as small as a few microns. That's thinner than a human hair. This level of accuracy is crucial for creating intricate parts. Parts like micromolds, medical implants, and aerospace components. Then there's the speed. Fast EDM significantly reduces machining time. It's up to 10 times faster than traditional EDM. This increased speed means faster turnaround times. It also means increased productivity. But wait, there's more! Fast EDM generates minimal heat. This reduces the risk of warping or distortion. It's ideal for working with delicate or heat-sensitive materials. And let's not forget about the surface finish. Fast EDM produces exceptionally smooth surfaces. Often no additional finishing is required. This saves time and money. Section 5. From rockets to scalpels, fast EDM applications. The applications of fast EDM are as diverse as they are impressive. This technology is making its mark in a wide range of industries, from aerospace to medical, automotive to tool and die making. In the aerospace industry, fast EDM is used to create complex components. Components like turbine blades, fuel injectors, and rocket nozzles. Its precision and ability to work with high-performance alloys make it ideal for these demanding applications. The medical field benefits from fast EDM's ability to create intricate and delicate instruments. Surgical instruments, implants, and dental tools require the highest level of precision. Fast EDM delivers on that front. The automotive industry relies on fast EDM for manufacturing complex molds and dies. These molds are used to create intricate plastic and metal parts. Think of engine components, interior trim, and exterior body panels. Tool and die manufacturing is another area where FAST EDM shines. It's used to create high-precision molds, dies, and cutting tools. These tools are essential for various industries, ensuring accuracy and repeatability in manufacturing processes. Section 6. Erodex. Pioneers in precision engineering with FAST EDM. In the world of FAST EDM, one name stands out: Erodex. As a leading provider of EDM solutions, Erodex is at the forefront of this technological revolution. They are committed to providing cutting-edge solutions that push the boundaries of precision engineering. Erodex offers a comprehensive range of FAST EDM machines. These machines are designed to meet the demanding needs of various industries. From small intricate parts to large complex components, Erodex has the perfect machine for the job. But it's not just about the machines. Erodex provides unparalleled support and expertise. Their team of engineers and technicians are experts in FAST EDM. They work closely with customers. They provide tailored solutions that meet their specific needs. Erodex is committed to innovation. They are constantly exploring new ways to improve FAST EDM technology. They are developing new applications. They are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. When it comes to FAST EDM, Erodex is the partner you can trust. They have the experience, the expertise, and the commitment to help you succeed. So if you're looking to revolutionize your manufacturing processes, look no further than Erodex. They are the pioneers of precision engineering with FAST EDM.